टॉपिक इज nouns, definition, types with examples. अब हम noun को थोड़ा डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे. Nouns also called naming words, word probably to the very first part of speech you would have learnt in your English grammar classes. Anything we can touch, see, smell, taste, hear, and hold can be referred to as nouns. What is a noun? Nouns are parts of speech that comprises words that are used to name people, प्लेसेस, एनिमल्स, ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड आइडियाज. किसी भी चीज़ को जो नेम दिया जाता है, उन चीज़ को नाम देने के लिए जो अल्फाज का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है वो अल्फाज क्या कहलाते हैं? नाउन. Almost every sentence will definitely have a noun and they perform different roles in a sentence. हर एक फिक्रे में एक नाउन जरूर होता है जो अपना एक डिफरेंट रोल प्ले करता है. Nouns can act as the subject, an indirect object, a direct object, a subject complement and an object complement. Nouns can also function as adjectives and adverbs. Sometimes ये अपना एक दूसरा रोल प्ले कर रहे होते हैं, उनकी बेस पे इनको हम इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट या एडजेक्टिव्स या वर्ब्स भी कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ नाउन्स: पीपल, राहुल, शीला, मैन, पर्सन, टॉमी, वुमन, गर्ल, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. These are name of people, so they are called nouns. Places: Bangalore, India, Mexico, North Pole, South Africa, the Nile River, classroom, bedroom, basketball court, cricket ground, swimming pool. These are name of places and these are called nouns. Animals: birds, aquatic animals, reptiles, lion, zebra, snake, ostrich, flamingo, bear, cat, fish, sharks. These are animals and reptiles. और ये इनके नेम हैं, इस वजह से इनको क्या कहा जाता है कि these are nouns. Ideas: evaluation, invention, extinction, argument, destructions. These are names of ideas. These are called nouns. Objects or things: bat, cycle, curtains, paper, bag, blackboard, cupboard.